morning, friends. Welcome you all in podcast of for commodities and on its important technical levels. Today we have noticed that all major indices are trading on a positive note. However, gold prices are steady from last 2 days after making a high of 48,589 levels. In international market, gold prices are trading around $1759 per ounce. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 47,700, resistance at 48,450. Silver has a strong support at 47,800, resistance at 48,850. The trend of gold is still positive, so we are recommending buy on dips in gold prices for intraday trading perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that all major base metals were trading on a positive note. Copper and zinc increased sharply. Copper increased by 0.74% and zinc prices increased by almost 3%. Today we are expecting a positive trend will continue in base metal prices. Copper has a strong support at 452, resistance at 458. Zinc has a strong support at 163, resistance at 166. Since the trend is positive, so we are recommending buy in base metal on lower levels. Now let's talk about crude oil prices. Yesterday we have noticed that crude increased sharply by 1.87% on the back of demand increase by the major economies and demand increase by the resume of major industrial activity. In international market, it is trading around $39.25 per barrel. For intraday perspective, crude has a strong support at 2910, resistance at 2990. The trend of crude oil is positive, so we are recommending a positive trading in crude oil prices. So one can buy on a dips in crude oil prices. Now let's talk about agriculture segment. Yesterday we have noticed that all major agriculture were traded on a positive note. Edible oil, in refined soya, soybean, RM seed, all are trading on a positive note today. So on the back of increased demand by the domestic consumer and domestic millers. However, the imports are very less, so we are expecting still the trend is positive in edible oils. Now let's talk about the spice segment. Yesterday we have noticed that all spices were traded on a positive note on the back of some export inquiries coming from outside of India. So we are so due to the increase in demand, we expecting a positive trend will continue in agriculture segment, especially in soybean and jeera. So we recommend buy in spice segment. I hope you will get benefited from this podcast section. Thank you very much.